Let's talk about mastering the self-tape method. Being able to create a great self-tape for auditions is very important, as this can mark the difference between booking the job or not. You need to be able to give a good impression in terms of your personality, in terms of how much thought you put into creating the self-tape, and of course, in terms of how good you are at playing the part. This audition method is very handy and comfortable, so take your time to make the most of it. There are a few key points when producing the perfect self-tape. Number 1, do not aim for perfect. Good is always good enough. Second, image. You can use a professional camera with a tripod, or you can use a mobile phone on a tripod while standing opposite your camera at arm's length distance. Or you can of course use the webcam on your computer or laptop if you are recording the monologue while sitting down. Lighting. Make sure the room is properly lit and that you can be seen well. Ensure there isn't a bright light focused on you. This can make it very difficult to see you. Background. Avoid busy backgrounds with loads of distractions such as ornaments, shelves, busy wallpaper. The best is a plain white or black wall. The camera position. This is very important too. Make sure it is always leveled with your eyes. Clothing. Use solid colors as they are best, but do take into consideration the character you are representing and see if you can find clothing that suits that character. Makeup. Applying makeup to highlight your features and specific character traits when you can. Bring you to the tape. This is very crucial. Be sure to let the viewers see who you are and don't be afraid to show off your personality. When it comes to sound, just know that sound is very important. Make sure you can be heard properly. But also remember that no one is expecting you to produce Hollywood sound quality. So be happy with whatever equipment you have. It will be just fine. Finally, done is better than perfect. Avoid repeating your takes time and time again. Stop recording as soon as you are happy with a take. Once you're done, remember, it is very important that you follow the submission guidelines to the letter. Do not miss anything. And remember also to enjoy it. Be confident, feel relaxed, and you will get that part.